Hello guys. Today we are going to solve problem number 278, first bad version. Okay, problem statement. Problem heading is first bad version. Okay, so this problem based on searching, we are going to solve by using searching. Okay, so we need to find out the first bad version using binary search to minimize the API call. Okay, all version after a bad version are also bad. Okay, so we have API. Okay, is bad version. Okay, so we need to return that is true or false. Okay, I'm going to share my screen with you that you can see in screen. Okay, so here this is our question. N equals to 5, bad equals to 4, and output is also 4 here. Okay, n equals to 5 and bad is 4. Okay, so here I have left. Okay, so left is 1 and right is 5. Okay, so we need to check left is less than right here. Okay, so 1 is less than 5, this condition is true, then we need to calculate mid. Okay, so we can calculate mid like this: left plus right minus left divided by 2. Okay, so what is the value of left? Left is 1, plus 5 is right, and minus 1. Okay, left is 1 divided by 2, so I got 3 here in mid. Okay guys, so I got 3, and it is said that it is a bad version mid, so it is not bad version, because if you have 4 then it is bad. Okay, so I'm going to write code. Okay, so first of all you need you need to suppose that 4 is our bad version. Okay, so first of all I need to create one function. Define is bad version. Here I'm going to pass version. Return version is greater than equals to 4. It means you need to suppose that 4 is the bad version, first bad version. मान लो 4 is our first bad version. Okay, so here after this is our function that it will check that if you have 4 greater than 4 and equals to 4, then it will be a bad version. Okay, greater than version is greater than equals to 4. Okay, so here you can see I already defined class. Okay, and here this is LeetCode function, first bad version. Okay, here I pass n equals to 5 and bad equals to 4. Okay, and here I want n in integer, so that's why I have integer here, and output should be integer. Okay, so here after this I am going to create, okay, variable name, that is left equals to 1, and right is equals to 5. So left equals to 1 and right equals to n, that is 5. Okay guys, so I have left, that is 1, and right 5, that is n. Okay, n equals to 5. So here after this I need to check this condition by in while loop. Okay, so while left is less than right, RIGST colon. Okay, so here left is 1, right is 5, so I need to check 5 is less than, sorry, 1 is less than 5. Yes, this condition is true. Then I'm going to check mid. I'm going to find out mid here. Okay, so left, I already give you formula: left plus right minus left divided by 2. Okay, so here left plus, in brackets I need to write right minus left divided by 2. Okay, left plus right minus left plus right minus left divided by 2, same formula. Okay, with the help of this, 1 plus 5 minus 1 divided by 2, I got 3 here, index 3. So I got 3 here. Okay, so I need to check if is bad version. Here I am going to pass mid, so mid is 3. Okay, so I need to put columns. So right equals to mid, otherwise else colon left mid plus 1. Left equals to mid plus 1. And here we can print or we can return in this line, return left, left, left. Okay, so first of all we need to check. Okay, so this left equals to 1 and right equals to n, so left is less than right. Okay, so here we can check 1 is less than 5, then we need to calculate mid, that is 3. Okay, so this condition will fail. Okay, because it is not uh, greater than equals to 4. 3 is greater, here we need to check in bad version. 3 is greater than 4, no, this condition will be fail. So here I am going to update my left. Okay, so left is now left will update with left equals to mid plus 1. So I got, what is our mid? Mid is 3. Okay, now mid will become 4. Okay, version 3 is good, but bad version must be after 3. Okay, so here wait a minute, I need to check while loop mid, if is bad mid and right equals to mid, else left equals to mid plus 1. And here return return left. Okay, so here we can print solution equals to class solution, and here I got solution no, here I got sol dot first fir first bad version. Okay, okay guys, so now you can see here. Okay, so while is, we need to check this condition first. Okay, so while left is right, left is less than right. Okay, so this condition is true. Okay, then we find out our mid. Okay, that is 3. Okay, then we need to check, is it bad version? Okay, this is not bad. Okay, this is good, version 3 is good, but after 3, okay, will be a bad version. Bad version must be after 3. Okay, so then we need to update our left. Left is equals to mid plus 1. Okay, so here I got my left, that is 4. Okay, now we can check. Left is 4 and right is still 5. Okay, 4 is less than 5. So here I am going to calculate mid again. Okay, so 4 plus 5 minus 4 divided by 2. I got 4 here. Okay, then we need to check this is mid bad version. Yes, this is true. Okay, then we need to update our right. Right equals to mid. So here right will become 4. Okay, 4 is bad version. First bad could be a 4 or earlier. Okay guys, so again I have find out 4 is left and right is 4. So here I'm going to check with this condition, 4 is less than 4, this condition will fail, we need to exit from the loop. Okay, then here we can print our left. Okay, and return the left. And here this is the object of class solution, and here this object going with this function. Okay, and I need to pass 5 here, so I got my output 4, and first bad version is also 4. Okay, so this is our question. In code it is already said that 4 is bad. Okay, so we are going to find out what is the bad. Okay, what is the bad version? So 4 is our bad version. First of all, you need to define this function that this will use to check that is it bad or not. Okay, after this you need to define one class, and after this you need to define one function. That's first bad version. Okay, here you need to pass n means already given in the program, n equals to 5. Okay, you need to define right and left. So right equals to 1, sorry, right equals to n and left equals to 1. Okay, after this you need to check with condition with while loop. Okay, so left is less than right, you need to check this condition. After this you need to find out mid. After find out mid, you need to check is this bad version or not. Okay, if it is bad, then you need to update right, otherwise you need to update left. Okay, and then print left and return the left. Okay, so with the help of these things you got your output here in terminal.